Hi all. So today we will see how to implement maps in Tableau. Okay. So I am using sample superstore data. Okay. And that we are having country. Okay. So I am just dragging out this country to rows. So I am converting this visual into map. Okay. So we can see only United States is available. Okay. If you want to give a boundary for this, we can give it from Marks pane. Okay. Marks pane, choose map. Okay, so we can give a boundary. And suppose if you want to give the color for this country, just drag this country to color. And in that color, you can use edit colors and change the color of United States to some other color. Just click OK. So this is how we can set a boundary for this country. Okay. Okay, that's one thing. And if I am a manager, okay, if I'm a manager, I'm looking up for things in regional level. Okay, so again, I'm going to create a new sheet. In this sheet, I will give as country. Okay, in this new sheet, I will give as states. Okay, so here I will drag the states and I will convert this into map. Okay, so we can see many states. If you want to set a boundary, go to the marks pane and click on map. Okay, if you want to color the states, move states to color and we can see the states are being colored. Okay, again I am creating the similar thing in the case of city. Okay, city, I'm dragging out city here and I'm changing into map. Okay, I'm just changing into map. I am giving the one more measure here, that is sales. Okay, so we can see how many sales in each cities. Okay, suppose I want to change it, make it into a, give a boundary for that. So it will be like this, and if you want to change the color, can change the color. Okay. Okay, I'm just giving like this. And these are the three sheets which I have created now. So now we will see how to link this in dashboards. Okay, dashboard, I'm clicking new dashboard here. And here we can see the three sheets which I have created now. So I will first make this into automatic, size as automatic. And I will bring this country, state and city here. Okay, move it here. Okay, so when I'm clicking this country, I want that corresponding states, and as well as when I'm clicking some states, I want the cities inside that. So country, only one country we are having here. So I will filter out the states and cities. Okay, so I will just click on one state. So it should filter city. So when I click on this visual city, we are having a use as filter option. So just click on that. So after that, just click again. So I have given a filter option in this states as well as city. Now I have filtered the state using here. If I'm clicking again, it will not filter. So I'm clicking on this filter option and in the state as well as cities. So when I click on this particular state, it will display the city inside that. Okay. Any state, if I am clicking means it will display the city inside that. This is how we connect the maps in dashboard. Hope you all understood this class. Please practice it. So see you on next video. Thank you.